Morning, everyone. My name is Professor Dan Faringer, and you will have me this summer for your online Math 103 course. I want to give you a video early so you can get maybe a feel for the course by checking it out before the first day. I've given you access to the course so you can get in and look around. And I'm going to give you a look at that right now. I'm going to share my screen, try to at least, and come over to D2L. And here's your course. This is what it's going to look like. Okay, first thing, across this navigation bar, and click on course home. This is what you're going to see. This is called the course home. Every week, I will put out a weekly to-do list reminding you of deadlines, when things become available, different things like that, explanations about the test. So you'll see at least one of these every week. There'll be other emails or other news posts as we go through the week. Uh, this video is right here. This is the video that I'm sending you in this email today ahead of time so you can possibly get in here and get started. Read down through all of this, talks about D2L orientation. Each week, whatever's in blue will be information about D2L, which is what you're looking at right now. What's in green is going to be our homework manager, which is called Alex. And Alex is included as a course fee, but you'll see deadlines for all of our Alex homeworks. Other information is going to be red. That's going to be the tests, things like that. And again, here is a copy of the syllabus for the course, which if you're getting this today, maybe you'll print it out and take a look at it and let me know if you have any questions to get that out of the way before next week. The book comes with some great videos in the ebook, which is on the Alex site. And I'll show you where that's at in a couple minutes. First day, that's from spring 2023. It's just a video like this. One semester I had remote classes, so I recorded them all. And every once in a while you'll see I updated with different ones, but this is each of the sections in the 4+ chapters that we're going to cover. Chapter 1 has its own test, same with 2, same with 3. Chapters 4 and 5 are going to be together in one test. Office hours, if you ever want to meet with me, just click here and it'll tell you my times available. We can get together and have an office hour meeting. Okay. And again, you can scroll down there. There's an old picture of me. Well, it's a younger picture, but I'm older now. Coming across the top, this navigation bar, you're going to see content. And under the content, there's a copy of the syllabus. There's this red shelf ebook. You don't need that. And then McGraw Hill Alex. This is what you're going to click on, and it's going to link you up to where our Alex course is. So that's where you're going to get in and do all of your homework. And again, that's found here under content. Not used very much by students, especially online classes. But if you have questions about chapters or want to post something, a link, a video, a worksheet, anything like that you find, you might want to come here and post it for everybody else in the class. The Dropbox. Each chapter has its own assignment. Okay, so assignment 1 is going to be due on June 12th, which is the day before the test. It's problems that are related to the chapter. It's not the only review I want you to do for the test. It's problems that are related to the chapter. These must be uploaded by using a single PDF. So if you write out 5 pages of problems, you need to take pictures with your camera and merge them into a single PDF. And I'll give you information on that in a minute. If I click on assignment 1, I am in, I need to change my, yeah, let's do that real quick before I keep going. I don't feel like redoing the video. I'm going to go back to course home. And what I realized is I am not in student view. This might make things a little nicer because you'll be able to recognize. Dropbox, you're going to have 4 assignments. Half the class will not bother to do this for some reason or other. I don't know. They'll get a 0 out of 35 and they'll be behind the 8 ball. Okay. It's not open yet, but it'll be open on the first day, excuse me, on May 29th. Make sure you read about that. When you finish taking a test, you're going to take your test on ALEKS as well. You're going to put an answer in. Now, if the answer is right, it marks it right. If it's wrong, or you put a space or something that doesn't exactly match the computer, it marks it wrong. You're going to upload all of your test work. Problem number one, problem number two. And then I will be able to go in and look and say, oh, they should have gotten it right because of this typo mistake, or they should have gotten 3 out of 4 points because they were really close and they made a simple mistake. So I can give you points back, but you're going to have to upload your work as soon as you're done taking the test. This is where you're going to do it. It's called the Dropbox. Quizzes. This is where you're going to see your 3 tests. Excuse me. This is where you're going to see this orientation assignment. And inside of here, you don't have the details yet, but it's going to tell you how to create a single PDF and go from there. Okay. And finally, you have a grade book. You have your grade book. Here it comes. There it is. This is the official grade book. All of your grades on your homeworks that are in ALEKS, I will copy over. They're not synced, so they don't do it immediately, but I will be copying all of these over. For each chapter, you're going to have a couple of homeworks, usually 3, 10 points each. 2 days before the test, you're going to get the test review, which is a culmination of problems from these 3 homeworks. You're going to have your assignment grade and you're going to have your test grade. Nice, clean, and simple. Same with chapter 2, same with chapter 3, etc. Okay. I'm going to go back to content because this is where you're going to be spending most of your time. McGraw-Hill ALEKS. If I click on that, I want to make sure that I click on this bottom button down here, not this customize. I took care of all of that. You need to click on this bottom button, ALEKS, and it's going to take you over to our homework management system. Now, as a student, oh, here we go. We're coming over to ALEKS. We're coming in hot. And here's ALEKS. Okay, yours is going to look a little bit different because I'm the administrator, but this is where you're going to see your homeworks. If I pick your class and I go to class grade book, it's going to show you my grade book, but you're going to find all of your homeworks in here. Okay, so ALEKS is going to be a pretty important part of the course. All right, that's a quick preview. Like I said, you have a week. I would definitely look at the syllabus, read the entire syllabus. People are going to send me questions. Well, how do you do that? Did you read the syllabus? Yeah, no, you didn't, because it's on the syllabus. So download that, print it out, have that available. If you have any questions between now and then, please let me know. If not, have a good week, and I will see you next Monday.